Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Azim Shami Zaid. I am from S2G2. So today I will tell you about my group's cafe. So the name is Chill and Click Cafe. So firstly, the business. I want to tell you about the business. Chill and Click Cafe is a cyber cafe that combines digital service with a relaxed and user-friendly environment. The cafe is designed to support various online activities such as study, gaming, working remotely, and everyday internet use. By offering a reliable internet connectivity and comfortable facilities, Chill and Click Cafe aims to become a convenient digital hub for the local community. So as you can see, the main service that provide is include like gaming, ready computer with update hardware. So we already has a lot of PC in our cyber cafe. So the second is computer for academic work, browsing and office applications. The third, printing and scanning facilities. So we also have printing and scanning facilities, so you can easily use for something like work that you want to scan or print, and then high speed and secure Wi-Fi access. So we have Wi-Fi that we provide, and it will have all the customer will get the password. So lastly, like snack and drinks for customer convenience. We also have like snacks and drinks for customer if they want to stay at the cafe for a long time. So the overall objective of Chill and Click Cafe is to create a comfortable and reliable digital space that supports modern online needs. So for 1.2, it is a location. So Chill and Click Cafe will operate from a 15 feet to 25 feet shop lot that approximately 375 square feet that is situated in an area that combines both residential and commercial activities. This location is selected to maximize accessibility and customer reach. The reason why we choose the location is because it's close distance to educational institution and learning centers. So we want to attract all students to come our cyber cafe, and we have a lot of benefits for them. So the secondly, surroundings residential areas populated by student and working adults. That's what I talk about. And the third one is regular pedestrian movement throughout the day and evening. So and then convenient access through public transportation, and lastly, high likelihood of spontaneous walk-in customers. So as we can see, this location is expected to provide steady customer traffic and consistent business opportunities. So for the lastly is 1.3 target market. Chill and Click Cafe serve a broad range of users, including student, gamers, remote workers and freelancers, and general users. For students who require computer and internet access for assignment, research and online learning. So you can use our Wi-Fi or our facilities on our cafe, but we also have some charge on it. For gamers who seek well equipped system to play popular online and offline games. So we also have provide that PC, and you also can play games on it. So you can play game with your friend or alone. So for remote workers and freelancers who need a stable internet connection and a focused working environment. So as you can see, a lot of freelancers want to be alone and want to more focus on their job. So they need to be alone and think about the idea for the future. For the lastly is general user who use the cafe for browsing, social networking, document printing and casual entertainment. By addressing the needs of different user groups, Chill and Click Cafe aims to maintain stable demand and long-term business growth.
Hi. Okay, so now moving on to hardware and software. I specifically chose to only do 15 plus 1 PC setup because for a shop lot size of 15 by 25 feet, we will want to make use of the space efficiently so the customers will be comfortable and so the space won't be too cramped. Next, I chose 27-inch monitor with a very low response time, which is very great for esports. I paired it with its PC tower, which support high frame per second gaming, and then I also chose gaming keyboard and mouse set from the same brand. Then we also have gaming headset with its own mic. Next, we have CCTV set to ensure safety to avoid theft, vandalism, and unauthorized access. We also have a Wi-Fi router for smooth connectivity. I also included a laser printer, which also includes scanner for work if customers ever want to use it. And then we also have wireless access point to allow Wi-Fi enabled devices to connect wirelessly. And then we also have a network switch to connect multi-PCs within local access network. And then we also have a UPS to prevent data loss and hardware damage just in case there's a power outage. We also included a few air conditioners to provide comfortable environment for customers, and we also have UTP cables, power cables, HDMI cables with cable management. All of this total for RM 152,156. Next, for software, first we have Cafe Suite Server and Client, which is used for full internet cafe billing, customer login, time tracking, session control, security, and etc. For its operating system, Windows 11 is used, and then we included Microsoft 365 Business Basic for light assignment and documenting use. We also included Adobe Creative Cloud, which is limited for 9 PC only since it's so expensive for starting cyber cafe. And then next, for security, we included antivirus software for each PCs, of course, to ensure safety. And then last but not least, we included gaming license for paid games. So software total for 4,784 ringgit and 10,452 for yearly. Both of hardware and software total for 167,392 ringgit. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hardware essentials. Starting with section 3.1, our network is built on high performance gear. We are using a TP-Link BE9300 tri-band router as our gateway and a 16-port gigabit switch to handle all wired traffic. For management, we have a Cafe Suite server for billing and a 1500VA UPS to ensure the network stays online even during power days. Star topology. As shown in our diagram, we have implemented a star topology. Every device, including our 15 gaming PCs, CCTV, and also printers, connects directly to the central switch. This layout is ideal for a cyber cafe because it offers fault isolation, meaning if one cable fails, the rest of the cafe stays online, and it provides the low latency required for competitive gaming. Media and connectivity. For our communication media, we rely on Cat6 UTP cables to guarantee gigabit speeds at every station. While the gaming PCs are hardwired for stability, we use Wi-Fi 6E for guest and admin access to keep the network separate and secure. Finally, our wiring is organized via under-desk cable management to ensure a safe, clean environment for our customers. Closing, this setup balance speed, reliability, and easy maintenance. Next, we will look at the software side of the operations.
Next is section IP addressing. For our cyber cafe network, we use private class C IP address, which is 192.168.10.0/24. 24 is for class C. Private address is used because they are more secure and not directly accessible from the internet. And subnetting. Subnetting is applied to divide the network into smaller logical network. Subnetting is used to improve network performance and to separate traffic between the users. And we are using VLSM, that is variable length subnet masking, so each network segment only can receive the number of IP address it actually. And for the calculation, we have calculated that we have 4 subnet, starting from subnet 0. For the calculation from the highest required host to the lowest required host. That is, subnet 0 is for the gas wireless network. For the gas network, such as mobile phone or laptop that customer brings. And for this subnet 0, this subnet support more than 32 wireless devices, and you subnet 192, which this subnet 0 provides 62 usable IP address connected through wireless access point. This subnet is separated to prevent gas user from accessing internet system. For the subnet 1, for the gaming PCs, this subnet support 15 gaming PCs, and this also provide more than 15. It provide 30 usable IP address to ensure the stable performance and network for the gaming experience. For the subnet 2, which is for router, switch, access point, CCTV, and printer, we have for the subnet we have 14 usable IP address, which is more than enough for the router, switch, and CCTV and printer. For the subnet 3, which is the last subnet, the subnet used by one staff PC only, and they have 6 usable IP address. 6 usable IP address to improve the security by isolating the admin system from customer network. So for the conversion of IP address, the implementation of VLSM allows IP address to be allocated efficiently based on the device requirement and minimize the address wastage. So overall, this IP address design support our star topology and enhance the security and easily scalable for the future. That's all from me. We go next to the internet section.
Hi, I'm Alia Shada. So I would like to explain the internet setup for our cafe. Our cafe provides the internet access for a variety of purposes. Most customers use it for academic work, such as do research, online class, and submitting their assignment. We also cater for gamers.
by offering online and offline games, which is require a stable connection. Other than that, the internet supports remote working, video meeting, streaming, browsing, and social media. The coverage is also important. Our cafe measures 15 by 25 feet, and we want the internet available in every sitting area and at all computer stations. Wi-Fi will be provided for customer, while wired connection will be used by cafe computers to ensure the stability. So next, we need high bandwidth to support data and heavy activities like gaming, streaming, and video calls. So a 2 Gbps plan from Unify is ideal because it can minimizing lagging and congestion. Last but not least, regarding cost, although the 2 Gbps plans cost 390 ringgit Malaysia per month, it provides excellent value with a good performance, which is to can make sure our customer happy. So that's all for me. Thank you.
So the lastly is conclusion. In summary, Chill and Click Cafe is designed to offer a relaxed yet efficient space for users to enjoy gaming, online activities, and everyday digital work. With a well-planned network infrastructure and use appropriate networking devices, the cafe is able to deliver smooth connectivity and consistent performance. The combination of high-speed wire connection and accessible wireless access ensure that both in-house system and customers' personal device can operate without interruption. Overall, Chill and Click Cafe successfully balance comfort, performing, and accessibility, making it an ideal environment for leisure, collaboration, and productivity. That's all from us. So, thank you.